more information, call your boy K-Dog at area code 216-633-1078.
And the number 3 most customized car, the 81 through 87 Cutlass Supreme 2-door coupe. How many of these cars have you had? I know my uncle has at least had 10 of them. Well, we're going to put this car in the Car Bopping Hall of Fame. During its production run, Oldsmobile sold over 750,000. This car was so popular that in '88, when General Motors changed their intermediate body style, they still offered the old body style Cutlass and sold over 30,000 of them. In 1981, a brand new stripped down Cutlass sold for $7,500. And in 1988, the fully equipped 442 cost $15,000 off the lot. Number 2. This is for all you hot rodders. The 1932 through 1936 Ford 3-window coupe. Back in '32, the price for one of these cars was a cool $599. Now expect to pay, at least in today's market, $50,000 for one that's fully restored. And the number 1 customized car of all time. I'm going to give you guys a hint. I got the front, back, and side to side daddy Mo Sons and Tires, located at 8202 Superior Avenue. For more info, call 216-231-0059. And the number 1 customized car of all time, the 1962 through 1964 Chevy Impala. In 1963 alone, Chevy sold over 830,000 of the Impala. In 1963, you can get a brand new Impala for a cool $2,800. Complete Customs by Vail. Silks, satins, crushed velvet, vinyls, ostrich, alligators, styles, types, and textures that feel good to the touch and soft on your butt. For your home or for your office, for the car or for your bar. For more info, call Vail at 404-519-7669.